Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if there's anything I need, it's some neuro health. Man, my brain, it'll fog a lot of times. So we're gonna give this thing a try. This is brain focus formula. Actually, been giving it a try. I've been recommended this by a friend. So we're gonna see it helps improve your memory, aids cognitive health, and promotes clear thinking. So we're gonna see if this helps me not to be so crazy in the future. So it's kind of cool. Comes with a, comes in a pack of 90 of these. I think you just take two of them once a day and eat it before a meal. Kind of gives you the instructions over here if you can see what that all is. It's funny, for me it's all backwards when I show it here, but here's some of the nutrition facts for it if you needed any of those. And these are kind of cool though, so we're gonna give these things a try too. These are by Nature's Craft, and highly recommended, super cool. So 90 capsules, I can handle this, or 2 a day, it'll be 45 days. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.